I'm excited to announce that Testing for Good is coming back in October of 2022 from October 18th through October 20th. This is going to be our biggest event. The purpose of Testing for Good is to enable amazing test automation while creating a more equitable society. Since starting Testing for Good a year ago, we've trained over 500 engineers in API, web, and mobile test automation. We've also raised over $15,000 for different nonprofit organizations. October's event will be the biggest ever, spanning over a total of 3 days and workshops around Java and JavaScript. For the Java workshops, we're going to have API testing by Bas, crafting a test automation framework by Titus, mobile automation testing with Eyal, and web automation testing with Chris. For JavaScript, we're going to have end-to-end component testing with Cypress 10 by Gleb, and API testing and web testing workshops by me. We're super excited for you to join us October 18th through the 20th. Let's enable each other in better test automation skills while creating a more equitable society. All the registration is down at the link below, and I'm going to see you there. Take care.